Hey, what's going on, guys? Rakeem Addison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with PayPal in 2018. All right, and if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how to earn $100 per day for free with just your smartphone. So stick around to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, right? All right, so some of you who are subscribed to my channel, you'll see that I've talked about this app here on my channel before. Now, the only difference now is they're giving a larger commission, right? So just to kind of recap and kind of explain what the app allows you to do, it's a free cashback app. So if you go out to, let's say you go to Chili's or you go to any other restaurant that they're a partner of, then you'll get cash back on your purchases. So that's the main purpose of the app. But what they do from time to time is they give promotions, right? So the first time that I even heard about it, they were doing a $15 per referral promotion, right? And, you know, I made a good amount of money, you know, sharing this with other people. Now, what they're doing this time, as you can see here, this is their birthday promo. Refer friends, get $25. So now the only difference from before on what they were doing before is this time around there's one more requirement that you have to do, but it's pretty simple. All right, so let's get into it. So you can see here you're gonna get $25. Now let's go to the FAQs. What does it take to refer someone? Now this is the important part. So everything is the same. Remember I said everything is the same except for one thing. All right, so here it is. Your referral must click your link on their mobile phone, download the app, and connect a valid credit or debit card. All right. Now, I don't know if I actually said this in the other video, but they used to allow people to use prepaid cards, but they got rid of that, right? So it's only a valid credit or debit card. All right, now let's keep going. And get cash back for the first time from a nearby in-store offer during the promotional period, right? So basically what that means is this is the addition that I was talking about. So the first time around, all you had to do was a person had to click on your link, download the app, and add a credit or debit card for you to get that commission, right? The $15 commission. Now with this, they're adding it where the person has to at least get cash back for the first time. Now the way that I've seen it work, so when I went out and tried some of the offers, or you know, went to some of the businesses that they're partnered with, I was immediately getting that cash back. Right now, I'm assuming with certain offers the cash back will come a little bit slower, but at least let's actually see if they actually have it here. Let's see here. When will I get my $25 bonus? Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay, so here it is. When will my referrals receive cash back? So nearby in-store offers within 7 days when using a credit card linked to their app, right? So that gives you the time frame on when they'll receive their cash back, so you'll know pretty much when you're going to be getting your $25 in this particular promotional period. All right, so let's go back up and I'll read the rest to you. All right, so what are the dates of the promo? So it started Monday, 4/23. So today is actually the 24th. So it started yesterday, okay? All right, and then it says until Monday, the 7th of May, right? So that's the time frame that you have, which means that you have a considerable amount of time to get out there and get some free money, guys. Like this is literally free money. Right, I give you guys, you know, multiple ways, you know, to make money, either, you know, with you investing into yourself or just free ways, guys. This is a simple way that if you're not already, you know, if you're not already involved with this app, then this is just an opportunity. You can, if you're married, you can ask your significant other, hey, I just want to try this out and see if it's real. And once you find out that it's real, boom, that's a quick 25 bucks for you, right? That you can continue to grow over time, at least within this promotional period. Now, regularly, it's $5 per referral that you bring in. So, I mean, if you look at it, it's about $5 that you're both going to get for you sharing the app. So you'll get 5 plus the additional 25. So that's $30 for you sharing this app for absolutely free. Right? So it's pretty powerful. All right. So it says, when will I get my $25 bonus? The $25 referral bonus will be deposited into your Dosh wallet after your referral gets cash back for the first time from a nearby in-store offer during the promotional period. All right. Now, on the app, they have it now where you can actually see like the status of your referral. So if it's pending, you'll know exactly why it's pending, right? So as it says right here, you can check the status of your referrals in the pending tab, in the refer page, in the refer page inside the app, right? All right, and then let's keep going. Okay, so this was kind of what I was just explaining, right? I just want to, just so you can understand, all right? So both you and your referrals, right? That's who will get paid. You get 25 for each referral who downloads Dosh using your link, connecting a card, and getting cash back for the first time from a nearby in-store offer during the promotional period. Now, you both get $5 for connecting the first card, right? So it's even more money than before, right? So once you connect the card, it's going to be 5. Boom, that's going to be for you, and they're going to get 5. So they're going to make money as well, and you're going to get an extra 25 for bringing them onto the Dosh app. All right. So I'll actually put the link to this page in the description, so I'm not reading all this stuff to you because I don't want to insult anyone's intelligence. So I'll put this link in the description for you, right? I just want to make sure there's something else that could be important, so I can provide some value to you, because I mean, this is definitely an opportunity for you to just create some income for yourself. If maybe you just need some additional money, I don't know, right? But I wanted to share this with you. All right, so let me just kind of scan real quick and see if I see anything that's that could be of importance. All right, so yeah, I think this. I want to go ahead and actually read this one out, because this is a big one that I got the first time. I got a couple of questions about how long will it take to transfer the money. Okay, so let me go over this. All right, so you can use PayPal to transfer your money, and you have a minimum balance of 25. So you have to at least have $25 in order to transfer your money out. Okay. All right. So let's go. Bank accounts. Once you have transferred the money to your bank account, please allow 3 to 5 business days for the transfer to complete, excluding weekends and holidays. Okay. All right. And then PayPal, you can transfer a maximum of $250 per day into your account. Please allow 3 to 5 business days for the transfer to complete, also excluding weekends and holidays. Guys, so very important, right? Because like I got tons of questions. Okay, so when is it actually going to hit my bank account, right? There's your answer right there, within 3 to 5 business days. Now keep in mind, guys, this is a free app, right? All a person has to do is share the link, right, for this particular promotion, right? I said they have one additional requirement. They share it, the person clicks their link, the person downloads the app to their phone, and the last step, which is the additional requirement, is that the person receives cash back. Once they receive cash back, boom, your money will come. Now, it may not come instantly as you read. It may come within 2 to 3 business days, roughly, because that's how long it took me when And that's how long it took me the first time I was promoting this. It took about two days or so to actually hit the account, right? And then after that, once you hit your minimum, you can literally transfer it out. All right, so like I said, I'll put the link for this actual page in the description so you can read through it and see if this is something that you want to do so you can earn yourself an additional amount of income. All right. So with that being said, I hope I provided some value to you, and I hope that you take this opportunity, take this as an opportunity. See this as, oh, okay, this is free. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to create some extra income for myself so I can maybe invest into something that I actually want to do. All right, so with that being said, if you got some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All right, peace.